up, YouTube? It's me again. So, I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a long time. It's because I missed my cat. I don't know where it went. It probably ran away. So, anyway, I got some new glasses. And go subscribe to my brother's channel, Big Choo Choo. Not kind of choo-choo that goes like a choo-choo train. No, like chew, like you chew on something like that. Anyway, so today I'm going to be today I'll be doing I'll be pranking my brother today. So I'll be knocking on his door and hide, and he's probably gonna think that a ghost is knocking on his door. Let's get to it. I'll see you guys when I get in. Alright guys, I'm here. Let's get started. Don't do that. No. Let's do it again. He thinks he's probably the ghost. It's me. Well, that's it, but I'm going to do more. So today, here, let me show you my brother's dog. Okay, big boy, get over here. My fans want to see you. Come here. So this is mine and my brother's. That's mine and my brother's dog. Say hi to the camera, boy. Oh, hi, everybody. So that's my dog. And this is mine. Okay. You guys want to see my neighbor? Their mom eats crap, and they're adopted. And my neighbors, I do like. She gave me a good stuff, but I can't show them right now. I'll show them in the next video. Well, so today I'll go show you my neighbors. I just can't like the mom abused stuff because she's a little brat. Get it? Because I don't like her. She's mean. Their mom's mean. And I gotta see if they're out. I'll show you whenever. Well, right now, they're not out over there. Let it focus. Yeah, so this is my house. That's my house. See? And that's my memo. And my mom. You know my brother. And what's this? What is that? Anyway, I don't care. So today, okay, well, let me go show you some disgusting worms. I'll see you guys when I get to the worm pit. Okay, right here is the worm pit. Let's see if there's any worms. Well, Let's see if there's any right here. No. No food, guys. We can't find any. Well, I guess there ain't no worms. So anyway, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a upload. So anyway, let's see. Well, that's it for the video. Bye, guys.